like it's a bit hard to show like on the VZ in the car, but basically on your connector, you're going to like essentially have like the female and the male. On the car, it's like it will look something like this. When you're going to unplug it, you will have to push this in here. It is a little bit stiff. You'll be able to pull it and lift it off. So you, like I guess just there, you're gonna have to push that in and lift it off on the car. VZ V6, just to install the stealth controller. So I've gotten the plug off. So you got your BCM here, which it does hit up against, and you've got a big thick wire that comes up here and goes into there. And a lot of the time when you're pulling the controller off, this will get in the way. This will get in the way of taking the pedal off. I have managed to get it off. So that's your plug up there. Pull it off. When you're pulling it off, it will hit this. You got two options. If your I guess your VZ is having this issue, like this issue, you can either pull off the pedal off here. There's another plug there, another one there, another one there, and you can pull it down, uninstall it that way. Or if you're feeling a bit more brave, you will have to just lever this pedal out of the way. You will have to push it up, and then you have to get this up. It's a little bit greasy on this pedal, but yeah, and then you can just push it out the way, and then you can get the pedal up. So anyway, that's I guess the issue with that one. If you are installing it on the VZ, you got those two options. On some of them, you just won't be able to at all, and unfortunately, you will have to pull the pedal off. On this end first, like the end that's come off. So that's your stock plug. That's our plug. When you're putting it back on, if that's the pedal, this side will have to face away from the pedal. So it's going to be sitting like that. So that's your pedal here. This faces like towards the driver's side, that faces towards the passenger side. That will give you a bit of a hand when you're installing it back onto the accelerator pedal. On the back of the control box that comes with the unit, you will have to locate these two pins. And the top one will have to move across one pin to your right. That is known as the FU1 setting. So that is known as your FU1 setting. The reason why we're doing this is it's a voltage stabilizer. We're actually boosting the signal to the throttle body, and we need to stabilize the voltage when we're doing that. Other units on the market don't have this ability. That's why ours does have proven quarter mile figures. So on your VZ, just make sure it looks like that. All right guys, so next put the car on ignition. It'll either say use or it will have your battery voltage. That's okay, just hold down M so it counts all the way up. L, just press M once. H, now when it says H, push your foot down on the accelerator pedal as hard as you can. H 4.1, press M again once, and that's all set up. If you need like a detailed video of what the instructions do, just go on our website revhigh.com.au, look under the About tab, and you'll see the Stealth instructions page. Cheers guys.